Hello there. Today I'm going to use my pipe welded to solid bar blanks from a couple of videos ago to make a tong and see if my forged welds hold up. I want to recognize a few guys for generous donations. They are Randy Richard, and he has a YouTube channel, Randy Richard in the Shop. It's metalworking, woodworking, and the like. Also Matthew West, Larry Fetters, R. Darby Pereira, and Jerry S. Hodges. Thanks very much. Though there's a seam where the solid steel and pipe meets, my forged welds seem to be holding up. Since they're identical halves, I'm mainly just showing myself working on one half. If you do any forging with pipe, be very careful. I frequently quench my tong blanks, and you can see here the hot water and steam just pushing straight out of that pipe. It's especially dangerous to have one end solid and closed off. I'm trying to refine that welded area and close that seam off a little bit, but be careful that I don't hit too hard on the pipe and so crush it. again, be very careful. This is a very easy way to get burned. It reminds me of the steam room at the gym, or the schwitz. And the word schwitz reminds me of the Sopranos, which reminds me I gotta tell my guma to go buy some gabagool. So this is a tong I made not long ago, all solid, no pipe. Many of my own tongs are rejects or experiments, and this one went awry at some point, so I reworked it to this style, and it's what I'm sort of mimicking with this smaller pipe handle tong here today. So there that is. Only time will tell how this holds up. One thing I will say is I really like how this tong feels, how light it is in my hand. Catch you guys next time.